welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Wantable unboxing today, and it's been a minute since I've done a Wantable, so let's get to it. If you haven't tried Wantable before and you'd like to, I'll leave a description down below and a referral link if you want to use that. My hair is driving me nuts today. We have our trusty rusty screwdriver, and we're going to open up the box. So yeah, it's been a little bit since I've done a Wantable. Mostly because their prices are a little higher than other boxes like Stitch Fix or Fashion or anything like that. And I was just kind of tired of it. So we have a Wantable today. And this one, it was like their sale edit. So there's supposed to be a few like on sale items in here as well as full price items. This bundle is a little open, so let me flip her over. It was a deep box. Oh my goodness. Like, look how deep this box is. It's pretty deep. Add to our box pile over there. You can see the boxes, can't you? Right there, right there. That's fine. Alright, so now the bundle is upside down. Let me flip it back over. This is going great. Alright, the bundle came apart a little bit, so I'll try to make it a little prettier before I show you. But they send you the return mailer to return the things you do not want to keep. They send you your invoice as well as a little note. Hi Rachel, yay, so happy you're trying our first ever winter sale style edit. I hope you enjoy the discounted items I've selected for you. Paired with the on-trend new arrivals, you'll be able to create countless outfits. Countless. Don't you love it when style and savings meet? Yeah, I do. Take the next 5 days to try everything on and decide which pieces are your keepers. P.S. You get an additional 20% off if you keep 5 or more items. Wow! That's what it says. As always, be sure to leave us your feedback at checkout. Wishing you a happy and healthy new year. Enjoy, Zoe. Thanks, Zoe. Here we go. Alright, let me try to get this back together before I show you it so it doesn't fall apart in my hands. Okay, there's no getting it back together. I tried. There's no getting it back together. Here we go. Ta-ta! There's no paper around it, but it's a pretty dark fix. Pretty dark fix, not gonna lie. But I called it a fix. I have a Stitch Fix mind. I can't help it. It's a pretty dark edit. There we go. Alright. Well, it almost just fell all over the floor. Alright, so the first, now this is tricky because I'm not going to look at the invoice until the end, so I don't know which ones are the sale ones or not. So this is just a plain black sweater. And that's the thing with Wantable too, is I just feel like their pieces aren't super special. I don't know. So just a plain black sweater. I doubt I'll be keeping it. Here we go. These, see, here we go. These are what I'm talking about. But they'll probably be expensive. Look at these animal print jeans. Those are cute. They're stretchy. This is by Hue. Those are cute. Alright, I like those. I hope those are a sale one. This is black. It almost looks like a brown on camera. But it's like rouge through the bust, and then it's more like a peplum bottom. That could be interesting. And then the sleeves have that rouging as well. Alright, alright, alright. And we have a mock neck. This is really soft, kind of color block sweater. It's like a purpley lavender, pinky lavender I mean, on the sleeves and up the neck. Again though, it's like a white and a cream. I don't know why I said again. But dog hair. My hair is driving me nuts today. Speaking of hair, I can't. Alright, and then we have, I didn't peek at this box at all. Ooh, a cardigan. I don't think I have any like plain black cardigans right now. This one's kind of like a cocoon wrap, I think. Yeah, and it has some pockets there. That's nice. It's a useful basic. You're basic. Here is a purple dolman. I feel like I've been sent this probably before. V-neck, purple dolman. We'll go over the names and the prices at the end. Also kind of basic. Ooh, they sent me. That's my phone. This is a sweater dress, I think. Pretty sure. It's a knit sweater dress. Hello. We'll see. We'll see how that fits. And then I saw these. The Goss. Straight leg jeans, which I don't have any straight leg jeans. I have skinny jeans because I am 33 and I wear skinny jeans. But I'll try them. I'll try straight jeans. I love the brand The Goss. I think that's like my favorite jeans brand. Ace Straight. I wonder if they're high rise. They don't say, but I really like the wash of these. I have some black, just black jeans, but these are more like a gray washed black, if that makes sense. So, all right, let's try the things on. This is really cute. It's really cute. It's kind of like business casual feel, maybe. Maybe. I think it's cute. Gosh, okay, these jeans are like, do I want to take the chance of them stretching out a little bit so I can hike them up like this? I am actively, you know, losing more weight and getting healthier, so there's that chance. I don't know. Anyway, this is really cute. I think it's nice. I think it's a nice basic. I did fold in the collar part because I have a short neck and I don't like things that go all the way up to my hairline. So I did tuck that in the back like that so that it doesn't creep up on me. I like the cocoon-ness of it. I like the pockets. I like the length. I think it's cute. Okay, let's try on more. Purple dolman. It's just okay. I don't know. I think I might be kind of over the dolmans. I might be over it. You know how, you know, trends come in and out. For me, I think I'm kind of over the dolman. It's a nice color. I like the purple. I did just keep a purple top from, was it Fashion or D&Co? You guys will tell me. You'll keep it straight for me. I did just keep like a purple waffle top, the same color, so I don't think I need something else like this right now. And that was a V-neck too. I actually just wore it yesterday. So it's just okay. It's all right. You know, you can always feel like you can fly away. It's fine. Okay, let's do more. I know I've mentioned this a million times. I don't do turtlenecks because my neck is so short, as of, you know, I just mentioned. But this is, it's okay. It's all right. You could always tuck it in, just like the other one, and that's better for me. It's kind of cute. I don't think I would get it just because it is light colored. And I have a black dog, but it is kind of cute. I like the sleeves. And I really like this color here. I think that's nice. I'm just not crazy. I feel like if this were a different color, I'm just not crazy about like the cream on me. Yes, I know I was wearing a white and black striped shirt. It's different, okay? It's different than a whole solid area of cream or white. It's very snow bunny. Very snow bunny. It's cute. I think it's just not practical for me. This one had potential. It's got a nice little silhouette. It goes in right here and flows out. I like the balloon sleeves. It had potential until I went like this. Which I do a lot. So, you know, you reach for things or just a general like, woohoo! And then your shirt's up here. So, it had potential. It's got a nice V-neck. And the ruching is nice because it's not like a stretchy material otherwise. It had potential. I can't. Okay, let's try on that dress. I think this is the first sweater dress I don't hate on myself. I'm not a big fan of sweater dresses. But this isn't so bad. Let me pan down for you. The weave of it is a little more open though, so you definitely would have to wear tights or something under it because you can probably see like everything right now. But I think it's nice. It hits at the bottom. I don't think I'll be keeping it because I don't know why. Maybe I will. We'll see what the price is. I just don't think I'd wear it that often. I could wear it to work, I suppose, with some leggings under it. But I don't know. I'd rather just wear pants in the winter, to be honest. But here's the weave. I think it's really nice. It's really nice. It's really comfy. It's loose enough. It's not bad. It's not bad for a sweater dress. Wish it had pockets. All right, let's try the last outfit. Last outfit. Black sweater. Not gonna keep it. It's just a black sweater. You can get it anywhere, and it's a little too tight. I don't know, it's just a little too tight. These are leggings. They're like jeggings. The pockets in the front aren't real, but let me show you the back. I'll pan down a little bit. No, I'm not this tan. This is a undershirt. Yeah, here's the back. The pockets in the back are real. So that's nice. They're really stretchy. They're actually really comfy. I hope these ones are on sale because they're kind of cute. And yeah, we'll see. They're kind of cute. If my sweater were longer, I'm not stretching it out, I swear. You can't stretch this out. Like if it were like that, with these pants, it's kind of cute. We'll see. All right, any questions? No. Well, probably. Number one, how dare you? Just kidding, that's from The Office. Okay, let's go over prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. It is 11:30. We're drinking iced coffee out of my beautiful cactus cup from Home Goods. Sticker's not on it anymore. But I think it was $4.99. Yeah, I have a thing for cactus cups now ever since I got that one from FabFitFun, so, which I use every day for my water. If you want to watch my FabFitFun unboxing, I'll put a link over here. I think that was the summer one and everyone hated that purple cactus cup that they sent, but I love it. All right. God dang it. I'm so upset right now. Okay, here we go. The two-tone soft pullover sweater in blush by Cozy Co is on sale. That's an on sale item. All the ones that I'm not keeping are on sale. Okay, it's on sale for $30. That's not bad. It was a cute sweater. It was originally $59. The cocoon cardigan in black, $69. I'm not keeping it. I can't keep a cardigan that's $70. I can't do that. The smocked jacquard top in black, woo, that one, $34, originally $68. The V-neck sweater dress in black / pearl melange by Dex, $40. It was cute. It was cute for $40. I already have $20 invested in this box. The iCat Animal High-Rise Denim Legging by Hue, $52. See, the ones that I liked aren't the sale ones. Why, Wantable? The Solid Sweater Pullover in black by Luca Couture, $34. And the Ace High Rise in black by Vagos. Those were not high rise. I don't care what this invoice says. Those were not high rise. $78. What did I tell you? All right. I did like that sweater dress. I just have never really had a sweater dress before. So I don't know how much I'd wear it. I would wear it to work. It's January. We still have at least, you know, 3 more months of cold. I could wear it. I could wear it to work. Like I'm just like, spinning and pondering in my chair. I could wear it to work for another $20. I already have $20 into the box. Or I really like those Animal High-Rise Denim Leggings too. And I could wear those to work and also on the weekend. I could wear the sweater dress on the weekend too, but I'm not going to. So I have some thinking to do. It's between the dress and the leggings. So I spent another $32 for the pants or another $20 for that dress. So got some thinking to do. Thank you guys so much for going on this journey with me. Again, if you'd like to try Wantable, I'll leave a description down below and my referral link if you so choose to use it. I'd appreciate it. It helps me do more boxes basically because I believe I get credit when you use my link. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Hey, thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you next time.